Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WAN error 6. So this is a connection error, and there are a few methods to fix this. The first method being you simply restart your PC and then try relaunching the game. And then if that helps, it's all good. Now, if that doesn't help, the second thing you do is you go to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. Once you open it, or you simply type in Windows Firewall and then click Defender Firewall, and it will open this, and you go here, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You open this, and once you're in here, click Change Settings, click Allow another app. In here, click Browse, go to C, go to Riot Games. Firstly, do Riot Client, and then click here, Riot Client Services, and click Open, and then Add. As I have it already, as an exception, for you it will do it, and then you click in here, press R till you find Riot Client. It's in here, and then make sure it's ticked for both private and public. Once you have done that, click again, allow another app, click Browse, go back to local disk C, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Windows 64, and then here, Valorant, Windows 64 Shipping, click Open. And then click Add, and it will add it for you. Once you add it, press V here, and then make sure the both are ticked, public and private, and then close this. And then try restarting your PC and then relaunching the game. Now, if even that doesn't help, the last thing you can do, last resort, that is guaranteed to work, is you basically go to search, type in run. Once in run, type in this, services.msc. Once you open this, it will look like this. You click anywhere here on this once, and then press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you find it, double click on it, and then here is how to type. Make sure to put it on automatic. Once you put it on automatic, apply. Okay. Once you've done that, you have to restart your PC one more time, and this is the final time, I promise. And then try relaunching the Valorant, and it should work indefinitely, flawlessly. And that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully this helped. Bye bye.